Smart glasses used to feel like a cool concept nobody really needed. In 2026, that changed overnight. Now you've got glasses that translate languages, replace your screens, help you get work done, they even make your phone seem old. Surprisingly, it's not the usual big brands leading the charge. Here are the smart glasses you'll actually want in 2026. This one's a wild card. Reo Air 3S Pro just sort of appeared and embarrassed a bunch of overhyped, overpriced competitors. You wear them and realize right away, they're not copying phones. They're actually ditching parts of your phone altogether. Picture sitting on a plane, opening Netflix, and there a floating screen appears in front of you. Not poetic, not sort of. It's literally like having your own personal movie theater wherever you go. That's the real kicker. The display feels huge, immersive, and super sharp. Watching movies, gaming, even basic browsing, it all looks and feels way better than squinting at a tiny phone. Forget those chunky headsets that make you look like you're on your way to Mars. The Air 3S Pro actually looks like something you'd wear. It's sleek, futuristic, but not weird and attention-grabbing in a bad way. Accessibility is the real win here. You don't need to drop a fortune to get a taste of AR. Plug them in, connect your device, and suddenly maps, entertainment, and digital stuff just float in your world, not stuck behind some screen. Whether you're a commuter, student, traveler, or just plain sick of small displays, this feels like a peek at what everyday tech is turning into. Lots of smart glasses just scream for attention. Holiday AI glasses, total opposite, and that's what makes them so good. You look at them, and nothing stands out. Clean, simple design. No blinking lights, no weird shapes. It's just a normal pair of glasses. But they're hiding something pretty smart. Instead of bombarding you with gadgets and noise, Holiday keeps things calm. Notifications? Subtle. Navigation hints? Discreet. Reminders? There before you even think you'll need them. Feels less like a tool, more like a super organized assistant in your corner. The big deal is their proactive AI. Most assistants sit around waiting for orders. Holiday actually jumps ahead. Miss a meeting? Notes show up. Walking somewhere new? Directions just appear. Busy day coming? Reminders pop up before you get overwhelmed. Because the display is so quiet, it never gets distracting. Perfect for professionals, creators, or anyone who's sick of checking their phone every 5 minutes. And after a while, something weird happens. You stop reaching for your phone. That alone feels like the future. Let's be honest, one reason people are suddenly loving smart glasses in 2026 is entertainment. If you love watching stuff, gaming, or doing work anywhere without being stuck to a laptop, Vitcher Pro XR is almost cheating. Seriously. The first time you try them, your brain does a double take. You're looking through glasses, but it feels like someone parked a massive floating screen right in front of your face. M-tiny phone? Feels outdated? ML laptop? Looks cramped. Even your TV sorta loses its appeal. That's because Vitcher Pro XR creates this wild private cinema vibe. You don't need a giant screen, it's right there on your face. Movies feel immersive, colors pop, dark scenes look rich, and the whole experience feels personal. If you travel a lot, these glasses start feeling scary convenient. Long flight? Instant theater? Crummy hotel TV? Doesn't matter. Airport wait? While everyone else is squinting at their tablets, you've got what feels like a giant display. It goes everywhere you go. Gamers are going to love this too. Plug in your Steam Deck, Nintendo Switch, or gaming phone, games feel bigger, more immersive, and honestly way more fun. Since the glasses aren't heavy, you can play for hours without feeling wiped out. No big VR headset squeezing your head, no awkward astronaut look, just glasses. But productivity matters too. Remote workers and people always on the move will fall for this thing. Imagine opening up multiple screens at a cafe or turning a random hotel desk into a full-on workstation. Display quality is top-notch, sharp, and bright enough for daytime use, so you're not fighting glare or squinting. After a while, you just stop thinking about the glasses and start using them. That's the difference. Unlike those glasses obsessed with social media, cameras, or the latest gimmick, Vitcher actually focuses on something people want. Better screens, more immersion, a simpler, richer experience. Sometimes cool tech isn't flashy, it's just good. And honestly, Vitcher nailed it. Hold on a second, you've made it this far, so clearly you're into this kind of tech. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's a good time to hit that button. Alright, let's keep going. The XREAL Air 2 Ultra is almost like technology from the future dropped into our present. These aren't your run-of-the-mill smart glasses, they're full-on augmented reality glasses. And once you experience them, anything else starts to feel bland and dated. The first thing that hits you is the sheer sense of space. Everything seems larger, cleaner, and far more immersive. Instead of staring at one boring screen, you suddenly have multiple displays floating around you. ready whenever you need. Want a video playing while you check emails? Done. Need a bunch of windows for work? Easy. Want to turn some cramped coffee shop table into your full productivity setup? Somehow these glasses make it happen. And honestly, that feeling never really fades. And the wildest part? You stay connected to the real world. That balance is huge. Instead of a bulky VR headset that shuts you off from everything, conversations, movement, life, these glasses keep you grounded. You can hear people, see what's happening around you, and stay plugged into your surroundings. You're not vanishing into your devices, you're layering them on top of reality. That's a big deal. For multitaskers, these almost feel unfair. Edit a project outside. Watch cooking tutorials while you're making dinner. Take notes in a meeting without juggling devices. Game on what feels like a giant floating screen. No extra hardware needed. It's like carrying an invisible setup with you wherever you go. If you're always moving, students, remote workers, travelers, it's borderline addictive. No lugging around screens, no complicated setups, no losing portability. Just glasses that quietly turn pretty much any space into your digital office. Even Reality's G2 doesn't scream for your attention, and that's its secret weapon. While so many smart glasses try to dazzle you with a laundry list of wild features, the G2 doesn't follow that crowd at all. Instead, it slips right into your day-to-day life, making small things feel easier without drawing a spotlight on itself. Honestly, if you only glanced at them, you'd never guess these are smart glasses. That's the point. The design is clean and sharp, just a really nice pair of frames that look like real glasses, not some overly technical gadget begging for attention. You can throw them on for work, grab coffee, or run errands, and nobody's side-eyeing you, wondering if you're secretly recording everything. But give it some time. That's when the G2 starts to shine. These glasses aren't about showing off. Their real power is utility you barely have to think about. Directions show up when you need them. Notifications land softly in your periphery. Calendar reminders slip in right on time. Meeting notes, quick prompts, all the little nudges that help you out, none of them get in your way. Honestly, that's more important than most people realize. A lot of smart glasses these days just wear you out. Relentless beeps, complicated controls, features you'll forget by next week. The Even Reality G2 gets this. Now, about the Ring controller. This thing is brilliant, and barely anybody's talking about it. Instead of poking your temple or whispering to yourself like you're on a secret mission, all those controls run through a smart ring on your hand. Feels odd for maybe a day, then something clicks. Suddenly it's second nature, and you never look back. Snap spectacles aren't just another piece of wearable tech, they're gunning for the bigger prize, full-blown augmented reality. If Snap pulls this off, we're not just talking about a new gadget. This has the potential to shake up consumer tech in ways we haven't seen in years. It's no longer about strapping a screen to your face. Now, the idea is to blend digital stuff right into your everyday world. Imagine seeing virtual objects propped up on your desk like they actually belong there. Or games spread across your coffee table, not locked up behind a screen. Maybe you're cooking, and step-by-step instructions just float in your field of view, ready when you need them. Or you hop on a call and the other person feels like they're standing in your living room with you. That's exactly where Snap wants to go. Once you add smarter AI, things get even more interesting. It stops feeling like you're putting stickers on the real world. Instead, the glasses start reacting to what you're doing. They pick up on context. They predict what you need next. Everyday places suddenly become interactive, and you don't have to give it much thought. It just works. Some smart glasses still feel like half-baked prototypes. You wear them, play with them for 10 minutes, and quickly realize you'd never take them outside. That's where Rokid-style AI gets things right. Rokid actually understands something a lot of companies miss. People want smart glasses that don't broadcast future tech everywhere they go. No chunky frames, no weird looks from strangers. Just, glasses. Stylish, comfortable, and quietly smart. First thing you notice? They're light. Way lighter than you'd expect. After a while, you barely feel them and you almost forget you're wearing anything high-tech at all. Then the magic kicks in. The AI here is genuinely fast, not that awkward, laggy assistant that makes you wish you'd never asked. Answers pop up quickly, commands respond without drama, and translations come fast enough to actually help. That translation trick is honestly a game changer for travelers. Picture wandering through another country, understanding signs, menus, conversations, all without constantly reaching for your phone. It's a small thing that ends up changing daily life. Creators will love capturing moments without breaking the flow. Instead of fumbling for your device, just keep living the moment and let the glasses do their thing. That makes a big difference. Add photochromic lenses that adapt to lighting and prescription support, and suddenly these don't feel like tech toys, they're just everyday glasses you'd actually wear. That right there? That's probably Rokid's biggest win. They managed to make smart glasses feel normal. Let's be real for a second. Most smart glasses come with one big headache: battery anxiety. There's nothing like shelling out for a high-tech gadget only to watch it sputter out before you've even hit the afternoon. That's what makes the Solos AirGo 3 stand out. They actually work all day. Instead of chasing after wild features, Solos focused on what matters: staying powered and useful, no matter what your day throws your way. Seriously, the battery is a game changer here. You can sail through your routine, commutes, calls, music, meetings, workouts, without obsessing over the battery level or scrambling for an outlet. Just that alone moves the AirGo 3 ahead of most rivals. Smart glasses don't feel so smart if they're dead when you need them. But it's not just about stamina. The audio on these is solid, calls come through clear, music sounds balanced, and the microphones pick up your voice even when you're stuck in a noisy spot like a busy street or a train platform. For anyone always on the move, that reliability isn't just nice, it's essential. Then there's the real-time translation, which feels almost like cheating on a work trip or when chatting with someone from the other side of the world. It's just there, and you don't need to fumble around for your phone. Honestly though, the AirGo 3's toughest feature might just be their durability. Life's messy, rain shows up uninvited, workouts get sweaty, things fall. These glasses don't feel precious. You can wear them outside, to the gym, or just about anywhere without worrying they'll fall apart. The Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses still deserve a shout, even if the hype's moved somewhere else lately. Other brands are racing ahead with wild AR and AI stuff, but Meta's winning in a different way: accessibility. If you know someone who's never touched wearable tech before, these are the easiest to recommend. Why? Because they actually look like regular Ray-Bans, not some weird sci-fi experiment. You put them on and you don't stand out. They're just stylish glasses that happen to snap photos, handle your calls, play music, and listen for voice commands. That's enough for a lot of people. Want to grab a quick photo? Done. Need hands-free music? Easy. Voice commands? They're right there. No hard learning curve. But let's be real, 2026 has changed the game. Now there are glasses with displays, AR navigation, subtitles, translation, and even productivity tools built in. Next to those, the Ray-Bans look a little plain now. They're not the shiny new thing, but they're still really solid if you just want something familiar and straightforward. Honestly, that's not a bad thing. It just shows how fast smart glasses have grown up. They're not toys anymore. Some models are full-blown tools, while others, like these Ray-Bans, fit quietly into daily life so you hardly notice them. Some people don't want their glasses to scream, "Look at my sci-fi tech." Sometimes you just want something simple, something you'll actually wear, not just show off. That's where the Amazon Echo frames fit in. At first glance, they look completely normal. Honestly, that's part of their charm. You can toss them on for work, errands, or your morning commute, and nobody's going to give you a second look. But hidden in those regular-looking frames is a ton of everyday convenience. Echo frames aren't chasing AR or cramming in cameras. They focus on what most people use day to day: audio and quick access. You can play music, take calls, check notifications, control your smart home, and talk to Alexa, all without touching your phone. Walking directions? Just ask. Need to send a message or adjust your lights? Done and done. The newer versions actually feel better to wear too. Lighter, more comfortable, and with beefed up battery life. The speakers aim sound right at your ears, but keep things open so you stay aware of what's going on around you. And now you can get about 6 hours of music or calls on a charge, which covers most days without issue. Really, Echo frames just get their audience. They're not trying to replace your phone, just cut down how often you need to dig it out. If you're all in on the Alexa ecosystem, these start to feel like a natural extension of your day. From reminders and playlists to podcasts and calendar updates, it's all right there. Voice activated and fast. Even voice recognition has gotten way better in noisy or windy situations. Echo frames aren't out to wow, they're out to work. And honestly, that makes them some of the smartest glasses around. And that's what makes 2026 so interesting. Smart glasses are no longer futuristic experiments. They've become real tools that fit into everyday life. And honestly, the future suddenly feels a lot closer.